Stream redirect. Currently stream. Cancel. Settings. Channel. Oh, that's weird. It wiped out the tags. Why? That's weird. Hold on. Let me go to live streams. Open this up. Settings, details, primary category technology, software. Software, come on. You can find it. I know, I believe in you. Why can't I find software? Do I not know how to spell? There you go, buddy. Jesus Christ. Competent. Is that my stream or is that my scream? Oh, that's weird. There's like a... Is that the screen or the... I can't tell if that's the monitor or not. Okay, so kick doesn't work. So they're still having issues with that. Alright, and then YouTube, does that actually work? Alright, custom. Yeah. What category does it do? Save. Okay, let's see. So Twitch is working. Kick is not. Alright, so if I chat in Twitch, so if I say test, okay, we can pull from that.
Transaction complete.
Pro Evils, thank you so much for the... Wait. For the 5. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, man. Sorry, I'm still running some testing on this studio thing. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. How you been, dude? How you been? Why is... Okay. And then if I... Bear with me, guys. I'm testing out this studio thing, so... Just trying to get it to work. Yeah, thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. Sorry, I'm just like... trying to get this to work, so bear with me for just a minute. Alright, I'm gonna bring that over. I'm gonna bring this over. Alright, you tabbed. Alright, sounds good. Yeah, I might end this and restart it though, just for a heads up, because it's not streaming to Kick. So I'm just trying to, can I edit this so other people can actually talk? It's not streaming to, oh. Ooh. So in Twitter, when you start it, yeah, I'm trying to, so Rumble Studio allows you to stream OBS to the Studio app. So that's what you're seeing right now is my OBS streaming to Rumble Studio. And then you use Rumble Studio to restream out. Yeah. But there seems to be some issue. So it's not connecting to Kick. I don't know why. And it looks like there's some flickering in this black area right here. That's not on my OBS. So yeah, that's interesting. You see that flickering? Yeah, it's pretty neat. Don't get me wrong. Like, here, I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like right here. So you have your sources right here. I can't get the live count for X yet. It's just 1080p, but and it has the chat right here, which is really cool. So here's the host account, so like I can switch between the two, but we're primarily using this right here. And I can, like, the cool thing is like I can invite you, like say you wanted to come on stream and show me like your code or something. I could invite you right here and just pop you up on stream or have us side by side. You know what I mean? Which would be really cool. But yeah, Kick isn't working for some reason. Now the only problem is I can't whatchamacallit, I can't test out Kick. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. I can't like test out and add Kick in here when I'm live, which kind of sucks. One thing I can do, so say I'm doing like just say a political stream, right? And all of a sudden, or I was gonna say something like, oh, probably shouldn't talk about that on YouTube. I can click here and I can click Rumble only. And then here's what you guys. Okay, now I'm back. See that? So what it'll do is it'll keep the stream running, but it basically mutes everything on all the other platforms and just puts up like a placeholder until you come back. Then if you stop talking about something that YouTube would like, then you can come back. It's really cool fucking feature. So it doesn't shut the stream off. It just kind of says, hey guys, head over to this other platform where you can, you know what I mean? So I like that. That's really cool. Yeah, here, let me move this out of the way. But I'm bummed out Kick doesn't work. Only wish it was native to OBS. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's a cool feature. I could definitely see that. Yeah, like I have my mic muted and everything. You guys should be able to hear it. Like if I want to add in people, so you just kind of come over here and then you just copy an invite link and then people can join. But this is what it runs off right here. So I can actually have so say you want to share your OBS, I could literally give you a stream key. I could give you a URL and stream key to ingest right in here as well. And then you could stream your OBS to my studio. You know what I mean? There, like I said, there's a lot of great things you can do with this, but for some reason, Kick just is not working. I don't know why. Can I try it? Yeah, it's fine. Here, how do I can just DM you, I think. Can you still DM people on Whisper? Yep. Alright, decided. Alright, here, give me a second. Let me try. This is just trying it for the first, here, and then I'll do RTPM. I'll call this like Pro Evils. Create. It's a different stream key. Yep. All right. Copy. All right. Here, I'm gonna send you this in Twitch. That's the URL. And then that's your stream key. Yeah, and then it shows it's waiting for you to stream in. Now the problem is I don't think I'll be able to hear you because the issue is if I hear you, it's gonna pop audio from my I don't know. Let's see what happens. I wonder if I can mute myself, but if I mute myself, then yeah. Hold on. Hold on. Streaming, sending to it. Yeah, I see you active right now. Oh. I don't have any sound sending through over. Okay. Oh, that's weird. It went away. Oh, there you are. How do I choose you as the... There's your ingest info. Duo. Hey, there you are. Hey, there we go. There we go. Now, if I wanted you to... That's cool, isn't it? Now, if I could figure out a way to... Dude, that's awesome. Yeah, it's pretty neat. Let's see. Auto. So that's auto, and then there's background, presentation. I don't know what that does. Solo. But how do I click on you? So, oh, I see. Okay. So here, check this out. So if you want to change participants, you just do this. See that? And then, yeah, if we wanted to do duo, we can go like that, and then I can just switch this around like that. Yeah, so you just drag them around. Personally, I think a click would make more sense, but hey, whatever works. Okay. Now the question is, if I unmute this, am I going to hear myself? Unmute. Unmute. Yeah, see, I can hear myself. Yeah, see, I can hear myself. Yeah, see, I can hear myself. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, isn't it? It's pretty cool. So yeah, I would say, and then there you go. I just deleted your key. Just like that. But that's a great way to like dude, you could do like really cool like stream it, you know what I mean? Like the quality unfortunately isn't as nice direct streaming through Twitch, so I think yeah, I think there's some minor stuff that definitely needs to be fixed. Let's see. Man, I just gotta figure out how to get this kick to work. The problem is I have to like end the stream to, you know what I mean? Which sucks. And the only issue that I would say would be... Alright, so when it creates a stream on X, it sets the chat to verified only. So I can't, like, if any random person just wanted to come chat in X, they'd have to be paying for, you know what I mean? Well, actually, it kind of looks like it's 7020p upscaled. Do you think? So it's streaming at 1080p. I mean, it looks... Does it look... I mean, it doesn't look bad, right? Alright, let's see. Oh, it sucks can't get kicked to work on here. I wonder hold on, I'm gonna try something. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna test something out. We do it live, you know what I mean? Let's see. Studio.rumble.com. Okay, so there's the current studio. Go to connections, manage destinations, saved, edit. Oh yeah, I'm getting that issue with the oh. The URL is already used in another RTM destination. Right, but it didn't work. I wonder if it will. Hold on, let me try something. Kick. Dashboard. Settings, stream key. Copy. Paste. I wonder if the key was wrong. Copy key. No, it's the same key. Interesting. Okay, so I gotta let them know that the kick is enabled to get streamed too. Okay. Let me... Other than that, it looks really good. It's decent. Look, crisp, let me know. Actually, yeah, let me go test this over at... Yeah, the only weird thing that's happening is this little flickering in the black box right here. I don't see it on OBS. I just see it here on... do I see it on OBS? Nope. So yeah, for some reason, it's only happening on Rumble. When it gets to the studio. Alright, let's see. Alright, not bad. YouTube looks really good, though. Let's see, is there a way to... Hold on. I like how it shows all the numbers of the connections and stuff like there, which is really good. I see it on the purple paint top left. Oh, do you as well? Interesting, okay. Oh, you mean up here? Dude, Mac needs to get rid of this fucking shit. Dude, I don't know why they added that feature. Every time someone clicks here, the screens go... Steve Jobs would not be impressed. Alright, let's see here. Yeah, I mean, not bad, not bad. I like how it shows the viewer numbers from what platform you're on, which is really nice. Oh, is that where you see it? Oh, yeah, right there. Yeah, you're right. Oops. Yeah, but look at anything black on screen, especially this area right here. Look how it's flickering. Do you see the flickering right here? Alright, interesting. It's looking good. Audio super good. Now, do you see flickering on your side, NH? Because I'm seeing it right here. I know black is now flickering as well. Yeah, that's why I wanted to bring up something dark. I'll let them know about that. Okay. Interesting. No worries. Audio should be good. Yeah, if we can get Kick to work, I think we'll be great. Yeah, thanks again, Pro Evils, for that donation. Appreciate it, man. I just got the PayPal notification. Thank you. Alright. Not bad, not bad. So we just gotta figure out how to get Kick to work, and we're gonna be good to go. I mean, dude, honestly, like, if it isn't super annoying, whatever. Yeah, well, here, let's test this out. Let's go to let's open up a project. And let's see what if the flickering is really bad in the coding screen, that's gonna be a problem, obviously, because I'm not coding in fucking bright mode. Let's just go to CD web design, just something basic to do, sure. Or I'll just open up code. Here, we'll just do this. Yeah, exactly. Let's take a look and see what it looks like over here. Going back to the studio. Yeah, you can notice it right up in here. Right down here. Right over here. Oh, yeah. Here, let me try something. Let me switch it to... Let me test it without the capture card. Let me just do a quick display screen. Let's see if there's any... Alright, I just turned it pure black. I'm not seeing any flickering. It might not be Rumble, dude. You know that? Alright, so that's my screen. This is my screen right here. This is OBS. Do you see any flickering going on? It might be that capture card, dude. You do see it? I think it's because I've been looking at it for too long. Let's see. Where are you seeing it at? That's going to the chat from, The cool thing is I can actually now see the integrated chat from Rumble inside of the studio, which is nice. So when, NH chatted, it showed up. Oh, links aren't clickable in Rumble Studio. Alright, they gotta fix that too. A new target. Actually, it's more like blocky. By the way, you can click on your OBS preview and open it in a new window. Oh, okay, cool. Alright. Here, let me turn that off. That's pure black right there. So I don't see any like flickering on that side. See, that looks fine. But you see the text looks kind of hard to read. I think it needs to be slightly lighter. Yeah, I think you're right. Let's bring this back in. Yeah, see that? Oh, right in the edge right here. That's where it's really bad. It's so weird. I wonder what's causing that. Yeah, you see the flickering. Yeah, I'm gonna send this over. Yeah, it looks a little. The quality. I'm streaming up at 8,000 KB, so the quality should be good. Text a little too soft and blurry too. Yeah, I mean it's readable for sure. Here, let me pull up some text on the screen. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, see that index.html? It's so, yeah, you're right. It's really hard to read. The code isn't hard to read at all, but yeah, if I was directly streaming to, it would look much clearer. Okay. Interesting. Right, yeah, no, I agree with you. Yeah, it definitely needs to be improved for sure. Okay, interesting. I'm gonna try something. Let me share my screen with Rumble Studio directly and see if it's better, okay? So I'm going to... Does it look dim? Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna try something. Bear with me here. Rumble Studio. Let me click on me. Wait, can the host not? That's weird. Enable camera. Share screen. Continue with sharing. Window entire screen. Screen 1. Share. Alright, so I'm sharing my screen now. Oh, here we go, here we go. Let me click on my solo. How do I share my screen? It's weird because it won't let me share my... Hold on, guys. Bear with me, guys. Here, I'm gonna turn this off. That way it doesn't confuse you guys. Alright. Like, I'm sharing my screen, but it's not letting me actually share my screen. Like, here, let me show you what I'm doing. Oh, yeah, you can't see it anymore. Here, well, I'm just gonna... Oh, you gotta do presentation? Ah, thank you. There we go. Okay. Alright, so this is using... Rumble directly. So this is sharing my screen, but yeah, look how much clearer that is, right? That's much clearer, you would say, right? Here, let me go full screen on Twitch so I can see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's much better. See how you can actually like read the link right there? So this is sharing your screen, but it's so laggy. Because when you're sharing your screen with Chrome, it can only get so many, it's not bad for what it is, you know what I mean? I was thinking Twitch does have great guest collab feature. Give someone a link, then join to start their cam. Add them into your OBS as a viewer source. It's definitely such a better... Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so this is sharing my screen with the browser versus OBS ingest. But like I said, you can read the text now, but it's laggy as hell. Because Chrome's not, you know what I mean? So, but yeah, you can actually like read the font now. It's definitely a lot better. Okay. I think it's getting there. I don't think Rumble Studio is ready yet. I think they need to work out some bugs. But yeah, not bad for the most part. I think when this thing is like polished, dude, this is gonna be awesome. You know what I mean? Honestly, I'm really excited to see what they're gonna do with this. This is really good. That's why I wanted to run this test. I was gonna do a game stream to test it, but I just figured, well, what about people that don't game and do like coding and stuff like that? You know what I mean? Not bad. Yeah, it's not bad at all. I mean, don't get me wrong. I don't like the flickering. That's an issue. But the audio you said is really clear. Okay. Okay. I'm going to try something. Can you bear with me for a minute? I want to try something. And I need to be able to hear you. Okay, so here, okay, Rumble, if you guys are watching, which hopefully you are, can you make it so I can mute a participant on my end, but everyone else can hear? Or, oh yeah, because like, for instance, how do I explain this? I want to mute it on my end, but I don't want the stream to get muted. All right, because right now, I have to mute the tab or else I'm going to hear myself talk because I'm ingesting my audio from OBS, right? I want to be able to mute my OBS ingestion so I'm not hearing it, but you guys can hear it. You know what I mean? That way, if I bring Pro Evils on or say I invite you on, NH, I can hear you talk through Rumble Studio because the way I have it now, I have it muted because I'll hear myself talk. Unless there's a way to do that and I'm just not seeing it. Like, that would be really good because right now, if I want to invite guests on here, I can't hear them because I'd have to mute the tab or else I'm going to hear myself talk and it's going to cause a echo feedback loop. All right, I'm going to try this out. What I want to do too is try to get the IRL stuff down with the phone as well. Because, but the audio sounded, I want you guys to listen to the audio of my phone. Does it sound clear? Or does it sound kind of low quality? Because when I ran a test on it, the audio was not very clear. It was clear, but it wasn't, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? You would think they build it in, the whole collab feature being a core feature. Yeah. Well, I don't think I'm going to hear me. Like, if I was to enable my microphone on... Give me a second. I want to try something. Bear with me for just... You know, this is what we're doing. We're testing this out. You know what I mean? All right, so this is Rumble Studio. Enter a room. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Let me disconnect my Bluetooth from my audio. Ooh. Okay, can you guys hear me? Can you hear me? You can? All right, cool. I can't hear myself. I have this muted. That way you're not getting double feedback. See, I can't hear myself right now. How's the audio? Does it sound okay? So this is what the mobile edition looks like right here. I mean, the picture quality is good. And that's the front cam right here. Okay, and then I should be able to, and if I do duo, see, that's cool. I like this, but it does cut me off over. See, it does cut it off over here, which I get. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to do putting two. You know what I mean? Let me do solo. Okay, not bad. It sounds good, but obviously it's a phone mic. Right. Okay, it's a phone mic. I'm gonna test something out right now. Okay, give me just a second. Okay. There's my ceiling. Give me a second. I'm gonna grab a really nice microphone for my phone. Bear with me. Whoops. Just I'm chucking shit around. Hold up. I'll be right there. I gotta grab it. Here, I'm gonna put some phone in that too. I'm gonna keep holding on to it. Bear with me. Almost over there. I don't have a lot of room in this room, so I have to. All right. Here, let me move my. There we go. Okay. So hard to see what I look like on here. Okay, there I got my phone up on a tripod thing. I haven't changed out the mic yet. Sorry, I'm just trying to level this out a little bit. Bring this forward. Tilt the leg. Okay, there we go. That's good. And then I have a balancer on this thing. Okay, cool. The phone's set up. Let me turn this a little bit. I don't have a lot of room on my desk. I have like two keyboards in front of me and a 3 monitor. I just don't have the room. So I'm doing the best I can. Guys, bear with me. Okay, there's the phone. Now let me grab them. Okay, so here's my DJI microphone. Now I've listened to this through Prism when I stream and it sounds really good. So let's see if we can get the audio to kick up on mobile. Because I was gonna do a fitness stream with Rumble Studio the other day, but when I ran the test, it didn't sound very clear. But I want to see what you guys think, if there's better audio quality. So give me just a second. It's a pretty cool little device. All right, so I gotta take this. I gotta put the adapter for the iPhone on it. Like, honestly, if we can get this like super polished, this would be really cool. Okay, cool. And then I have my microphone. Let's see. Here, I'm just gonna put it like I would if I was at the gym. I noticed the chat on Rumble Studio does an auto scroll too. Maybe. Welcome back. Can you type something in chat? I want to see if it auto scrolls down. Let me put this on. Okay, it does work. Okay, cool. All right, nice. I think it was because I might have scrolled up on there. All right, cool. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. All right, so let's. Come on, buddy. You got this. There you go. Okay. So I'm going to put this right up here like I normally would. Cool little magnet. Dude, I love DJI microphones. So nice. All right, I'm going to plug this in and we should hear a difference, or you should hear a difference. Okay. There. Now it's using my microphone. Do you hear the difference? Does it sound clearer or about the same or? I heard DJI is getting banned in the US. Really? Don't they make like drones and stuff like that? But how's the quality? Is it good? Can you hear me okay? You can. Does it sound clear, or is it kind of muffled, or very clear? Okay, maybe they updated that. Because I think I mentioned something a few days ago in a post. He was like, "Hey, listen, I ran a mobile test, and well, no, this is not going to match my desk microphone, of course. Yeah, definitely not. That will never match a $500 microphone. Um, it's very clear. Okay, cool. But it still sounds like a MacBook mic, or better. Really? I wonder if I can. Hold on. I want to try something. Give me a second. That's why you have to buy a bajillion pieces of equipment for testing. All right, so if I go into Rumble, I love this. Oh, you can't see it's green. Never mind. Let's see. Library. I don't have a lot of room in this room, so. Oh, that's so delayed. Never mind. I mean, that doesn't sound bad, right? Sounds pretty good. Hey, you can't see my green screen behind me. Let's see. Oh yeah, you can. Never mind. So in OBS, you can't see the. I don't have a lot of room in this room, so. Oh, that's so delayed. Okay, let me pause that for a second. It's pretty good. Hey, you can't see my green screen behind me. Oh yeah, you can. Never mind. So in OBS, you can't see it. Okay. Okay, so it is using that mic. Okay. When you stream directly with Rumble Studio, with the audio is not good. Oh, really? Okay, so it is using that mic. Okay, here let me shut this off so we're not causing an echo feedback or feedback loop. Interesting. You meant with RTMP? Yeah. Interesting. I don't know. I'm wearing headphones. I'm not gonna. Oh, whoops! I forgot I was wearing that mic. So yeah, I mean, it's not bad. Because I was gonna do an IRL gym stream with Rumble Studio app, so instead of Prism. But what you could you use Prism? I wonder if the audio. Here, let's do one more test. Since we're testing, let's do one more test. I'm going to create another ingest, and I'm going to stream directly from Prism Studio, which is on my phone, to Rumble. I want to see what happens. Let's test this out. So we're going to manage participants, ingest, create new ingest, and then we'll call it RTMP, and then I'll just call it Prism. Hit create. All right, I'm going to end this right. Well, if I hit end, I think will it shut down the entire stream? Yeah, I think it will. So I'm going to get off this one. Hold on. All right, I'm back on the thing here. Okay, can you guys hear me still? Like if you were talking to someone on Discord, they were on the phone, it sounds like that to me, so it's good quality. Okay, cool. I tested before on Prism Live, the audio. Okay, cool. All right, I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Okay, give me a second. Let me open up, manage participants. Prism. Can I? Oh, I know what to do. Here, give me a second. I don't have any room on my desk to do this. Hold on, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna go to Google. Bear with me, guys. Document. we're testing out all the Rumble stuff today. All right, let me paste this here. Okay, go to copy key. Paste this here. Okay, cool. So I got the key. All right, and then I'm gonna close the document down, and then yeah, I'm kind of curious to see if there's gonna be an audio difference. All right, so I'm gonna open up my phone. Okay, and then we're gonna do. Hold on. Let's see. Where is it? Thanks for your patience, guys. Appreciate it. What are these clicked out? Yeah, I just don't know why Kick's not working. Did you, hey, SGA, did you test with Kick by chance? Or custom RTMP by chance? In Rumble Studio? Because I can't get Kick to connect. Like, the URL's connected, the stream key's there, but it says it fails to connect, and it's not stream. That's, like, the only issue I've had so far. Okay. So, now I'm going to open up Google. Do I have Drive on here? I do. Okay. Google Drive, and then let me go to that document. Am I in the right account? Hold on. I just created that document, didn't I? Rumble ingest. I tested with Restream. Okay, cool. Do you normally 8K bit rate on Kick? I do, yeah, I do 8K. I think 6 is the recommended, but they can go up to... Oh shit, did I save that document in the wrong account? Hold on. Untitled document, yeah. Yeah, I'm in the right account. Why isn't it there? Oh, there it is. Okay, I got it. Alright, so let me zoom in, and then I pull down on this. And then we're gonna do copy. Alright, and then I go over to Prism. Alright, so there's Prism. Alright, and then I click on Connect, and then I go to multi-stream. We're gonna click on my channels. I'm gonna turn these off. And then I'm gonna hit add platform. Okay, go to custom RTMP, and then we'll give it the stream URL. Paste that in. And then gotta get out of here and go back. Thank you all for your patience. Appreciate it. Go over to copy key. Go to Prism again, and then come down to key. Paste. Stream name, I'll call this our studio. Hit done. Save. Okay. I have Rumble Studio selected on Prism. All right, so we're gonna give this a try. All right. Let me mute the. Do you guys hear me through the mobile? It's muted. Hello, hello. Hello. Now it's on. Hello. Oh, there we go. Hello, hello. Why am I hearing myself? Hello. Now it's on. Yeah, okay, there we go. Now you're hearing me. Okay. Cool. I just took a sec. So this is going from Prism and streaming to Rumble Studio. Now, how's the audio quality? Did the audio sound better? Here, hold on. Let me make sure that the correct microphone's working. It's from Prism. Alright, so this is my external mic with Prism, so my iPhone. And I'm going to plug in my DJI mic. Alright, here we go. Did it sound better when I was using the microphone through Rumble Studio, or does it sound better when I'm through Prism? So this is Prism streaming directly to your DJI mic is better than the phone mic. If this is it is the DJI mic right now. But does the DJI mic sound better streaming from Prism to Rumble Studio, or did it sound better when I was connected streaming directly from Rumble Studio in the app? Same? Okay, so it doesn't matter if you use Prism or... Okay, cool. Gotcha. Okay. It was better when you was not using Prism. Audio now has laggy artifact. Oh, does it? Okay. I think that's due to the RTMP stuff. Because I bet you it kind of like this right here. You know what I mean? All right, now we're back to this. All right, here, let me end this. Interesting. Okay. This is why we test. Cool, huh? That's pretty neat. And then just like that, it's done. Cool. All right, sweet. Let me turn this off now. Interesting. Okay. So it doesn't matter if you use Prism or if you stream with their app. It sounds about the same. But you would say it sounds probably better if you just stream directly. I think there's some tweaks that need to be made to the RTMP connections to Rumble Studio, but they're getting there. They're getting there for sure. This is good. I think it's a great start. I'm very excited to see where they go from here. In my opinion, it does matter. Skip Prism. Yeah. When you stream directly from Prism to Rumble, it sounds great. I've already tested that out a bajillion times. I don't have a problem there. I think, yeah. Dude, I gotta go down to Rumble HQ with my computer. Just pack up my gaming rig and go down to the offices and run testing all day long. All right, so this is what it's gonna be like with the user. Oh, man. I just gotta... Here, let me reconnect my phone back to Bluetooth. So yeah, not bad. I mean, for I think it's a great start. I think it's a really good start. I like it. All right, there you go. Sorry, now it's not so like... All right, interesting. Let's see. So we tested having participants on. We could have multiple OBS connections, which is cool. But I think the RTMP needs a little bit of work. Because yeah, look how that is so hard to read. I mean, it's readable, but you know what I mean? Like, yeah, at least the code is readable, but this definitely needs some tweaks on the quality. I think for some reason the quality gets dipped. I don't know why, but it could be because it's being sent out from a, maybe, I don't know. I don't know. I'll send this over to them. So, all right, guys, give me a second. So the issue is, okay, is there a way to like mute my OBS source for me so I'm not listening to it? Because if I send you a link, I wouldn't be able to even hear you. Because I can't hear you, because if I turn on audio, it's going to cause a feedback loop. You know? Yeah, the audio is bad right now, the desktop audio. Really, cutting in and out sounds like wind when it cuts out. Really? Interesting. Okay. Oh, hold on. Alright, cool. That's charging. Not a bad microphone kit. Dude, honestly, not a bad deal. The only issue that I would say with the DJI microphone, you cannot charge your phone while you have this plugged into your phone. One of the guys that does fitness at the gym went out and bought a $29 mic kit. Comes with 2 microphones and the little tiny little receiver you plug into your iPhone. You can literally charge your phone with that port, but on a $200 and something mic kit, you cannot charge your phone. Go figure, right? You need to like literally go out and buy an adapter. It's so stupid. The people over at DJI did not think about their user. They're like, yeah, we need to make a really nice microphone. And I'm like, okay. By the way, should we let them charge a phone? Whoops! Forgot about that part. I should be able to plug this right into that DJI receiver and connect this to a battery and it should charge it, but unfortunately it does not. What it does though is it charges the actual device instead of your phone. All right, let's see. What did you send? Is this a clip of what you're seeing or hearing? Okay. Hold on. All right, cool. That's charging. Not a bad microphone kit. Dude, honestly, not a bad deal. The only okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah, okay, yeah, it's just a connection thing. I'll let them know. All right, cool. Yeah. Here, give me a second. How do I? Ooh, actually, hey, Rumble or anybody over at Dev, if you're watching, can you guys add an option for me to chat right here as well, directly in the studio? You know how like Restream does it, where you have like the chat, and then you have the icons. So if you want to directly chat for like Twitch or wherever you can, or you can set to all, so the same message would go to. It's not needed, but I just think it'd be kind of cool. The hell's donations? Oh, that must come from no donations yet. You'll see donations from all connected destinations here. Huh? How's that work? Is there like a Rumble link or something to your PayPal? Oh, campaigns. Oh, yeah. Okay, check this out, Pro Evils. This is fucking so cool. So get this. You can literally do ad reads when streaming through Rumble Studio. It's fucking so cool. This is something that only Rumble has, which is awesome. So get this. Say you have like 10 total viewers, so I'm short by like 2, right? If I accept this, all I have to do is read it on stream, and that's it. You get paid. That's it. You get paid. It's so cool. No one's doing this. Like, how fucking awesome is that? You're just like, all right, well, Twitch has this, but only for handpicked partners. Exactly. But it's like 1775coffee.com. All I have to do is read this right here. I just hit accept and start. I think a QR code or something pops up as well, I think. But this is cool. It'd be cool if you could do it directly streaming instead of using Rumble Studio, but hey, they'll get there. But this is a cool concept. Yeah. See? I can just, and then I think the estimated amount is $1, and should we try it? I don't know. Should we try it? I've never done this before. I do like coffee, so all right, cool. Yeah, but I suck at reading, so I'm gonna butcher this. All right, let's do it. I'm gonna accept and start. All right. You know what? Here, we'll just bring it on screen. Okay, I'm gonna hit accept and start. Okay, it's spinning. What, do I have to start reading now? Or how does this work? I don't want to have to read it twice. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is cool. Look how cool this is. Oh my God, it does do a QR code. Dude, this is cool. All right. Hold on. Let me get my professional reading. Hold on. Of course, it's on the way edge of the monitor. So, all right. It's time to say goodbye to Starbucks and say hello to Rumble's 1775 coffee. Unlike other brands, this is a coffee that backs free speech and is unapologetic about it. Visit 1775coffee.com. Use promo code STUDIO40 to get 40% off any coffee subscription. The coffee comes in medium and dark roast. It also comes in peaberry, which is similar to Kana coffee. In other words, this stuff is premium. Click the link in the chat or the description. You can also go directly to 1775coffee.com and use promo code STUDIO40 to get 40% off today. All right, and then I hit complete. Campaign progress. Is that it? Oh, there we go. Hey, we did it! Woohoo! That was the worst ad read ever. I feel so bad. Wait, so how did that work? I wonder if they have to approve it though. They probably have to like review that and go, yeah, that was totally worth. Hey, you know what? That's okay. But you know what? When you do it again, it'll be better because you've read it before. That's fucking awesome. That is so cool. See, Rumble, good shit, guys. Keep it up. That was so cool. Dude, how awesome is that? But everyone can do it though. That's the cool thing about it. It's not like limited to like a group of people, you know what I mean? Like anybody has access to do that through the studio. Like this is going to be so cool. And then as your viewer numbers go up, you can like one of these requires like 100 viewers, which I get. Yeah, here's like another one at 10 viewers. See, okay, you've reached the maximum number of live campaign reads for this stream. So do you only get one? Ooh, that's a good question. Interesting. So if you look over here, down here, I would qualify for this read, but it says you've reached the number of, I wonder if that means every 30 minutes or interesting. I'll have to look up on what that means. Okay. Not bad. Dude, this is really cool. I think this is really good for advertisers too. And the cool thing is this would be really good for new companies that are looking to advertise, but don't want to sit there and go, oh, I gotta go out and watch all these streamers and see which one. You can just go to Rumble ad services and be like, hey, here's my budget. I don't have much of a big budget, so the payout will be smaller. But you know what? At least it gives an opportunity for any budget to work. You don't have to sit there and go, because if you go to some streamers, they're going to be like, oh, I want $10,000 to read your ads or 5K. I don't even know what an ad read on YouTube is. I'm sure it's not cheap. I remember when I worked for my other job, one influencer wanted $40,000 for their video. And I was like, whoo. So like, yeah, I get it can get pretty pricey. So yeah, SGA, give me a second. How do I manage participants? Copy link. How do I send this to you? Or can I just put it in the chat and then you'll, yeah, because I can accept whoever wants to come in, so. There you go. Dude, this is really cool. Creator sponsor. Oh, that's so cool. So it puts it in the chat too. See that? Dude, that's so cool. That is awesome. All right. Let's go. Can you mute your desktop audio, please? It's more bad sound than actual. Like this? Is that better? All right. Yeah, all right. Sounds good. Dude, that is so cool. I'm really impressed with this. All right, I got you in here. Problem is, I can't hear him. Alright, live chat. What's the studio? It's the default. Add new theme text. Oh, I can add text on the screen.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Hold on, let me move you over here. Hey, how's it going? I don't think I can hear you.
Hey, good.
Oh, hold on, let me
Can you hear
unmute.
me?
All right, how about that? All right, how about that? See, I can hear myself. See, I can hear myself. See, I can hear myself. See, I can hear myself.
No, it's I hear the repeating, 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 repeating.
Okay, hold on.
Can you hear me?
Let me try something. Let me bring up Rumble Studio on my PC and not my my Mac. I'm gonna try something.
Okay, perfect.
Maybe I can listen to it through here instead. Bear with me, I can't hear you right now. Studio.rumble.com. Enter. And then I'm gonna leave it over. I'm gonna leave it over. I'm gonna leave it over. Is there a way to mute my OBS? Is there a way to mute my OBS? Is there a way to mute my OBS? Is there a way to mute my OBS?
I think you know what I'm using. I'm using voice meter potato. What I can have different audios in different channels. I mean audio channels, and then I can do that, and also I'm using NDI. I'm gonna show you in the real time what I'm doing.
All right, hold on. Let me switch over to this really quickly. Hold on, I got you muted. Sorry, or I got my browser muted. I just need to find a way to mute OBS for me personally. There's gotta be a way. Here, hold on. Give me just a second.
Okay, take your time.
He says he's using Voice Meter Banana to be able to route audio.
Yeah, I'm using.
different
Yeah,
apps.
you can use
gotcha.
a voice meter
But
banana
you can
or
hear him
voice
though,
meter
right?
potato.
Yeah, of course you can. Yeah, you should be able to hear him still. I just can't hear him. Oh, I got an idea. Hold on, give me just a second. I got an idea how I can hear you. It's gonna be a little delayed, but at least I'll be able to hear you through my tablet, and then I can just mute my microphone, so I'm not. You know what I mean?
Okay, no problem.
Rumble. Or here, let me go into. Do I have Rumble Studio on here? I don't. That's okay, but I can just listen to you through here. Bear with me for just a minute. Library. I gotta watch ads on my own channel. Alright, hold up. Okay, I'm caught up. Alright, go for it. Now you can. What were you saying?
Okay, so what I do is I use a voice meter potato, which is I think is the brother of voice meter banana, and so I'm gonna show you in real time. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? What I said? Hello.
Yes.
Okay, so I use a voice meter, right? I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna share this. Let me see what it is right here.
Yes. Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes. Perfect.
Okay. There we go.
I can hear you. So I use a voice meter for the audio. Let me see if I can get it from here. No, I see. No, I can't. And also, I'm using NDI. It's called NDI Tools, and with the NDI Tools, I can use my camera in different. It's like a virtual camera or virtual audio that I can share to different platforms or different softwares. So when I do that, I avoid the feedback from my microphone, or the feedback from the person that is connected to the live streaming. So there's it's a little tricky, but it's not that difficult to do it. So that's pretty much what I do in order I can have a clear audio with no feedback during the streaming. Still there?
Oh, okay, that makes sense. That's actually pretty cool. Yeah, I've heard of the audio banana thing. I just haven't used it before. Sorry, there's probably a huge delay, by the way, so my bad.
Yeah, so that's pretty much what I do in order to, and I don't know if you mute the microphone. I mean the icon on Rumble Studio. Do you mute it? You mute it? Is muted? Because I know that you put the RTMP on OBS, or you have it on Prism. Because what I do is I when I'm doing, if I'm the host, what I do is I go to the icon of the microphone on Rumble Studio, and I mute it, and I just using the microphone, all the audio,
something here. Let me
all the audio that I'm using.
Can you say something?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I can.
Can you hear me?
See, now I can't hear you. Hold on. Mute site. Unmute site. Here. Let me try something. Let me.
Okay, go ahead.
Can you hear me? Okay.
Yes, perfect. Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, that's good. I'm sorry. I had you muted on my soundboard. Can you say something?
Yes.
Now I can. So I'm talking directly through my Mac, where Rumble Studios loaded up. I just don't have OBS running, so we don't have a feedback loop going on.
So now it's clear. No feedback. Everything is good now.
Yeah, but I'm not using OBS to stream to Rumble Studio. I'm using my Mac directly. So my Procaster microphone's connected to both my PC and my Mac at the same time, so I can split my microphone. But now I can actually talk to you in real time, which is nice. So, but if I stream using OBS, it'll cause audio feedback loop.
Yeah. So what I do, I don't know if you hear me. What I said is that on Rumble Studio, you see the microphone icon that is right there. I mute it, and I'm just using the microphone or that audio device for the streaming, because it's already connected to the RTMP. So that's what I do it. So that icon, I just mute it. I just have the camera, on, but that microphone, that icon, I turn it off. That's what I do.
Yeah, I had that muted. So what's going on is, if there was a way for me to like mute a participant so I can't hear them, like call it like local mute or something, you know what I'm saying? And then that way you guys as the viewer could, or other participants could hear that person talk, but I couldn't. And then that would stop the feedback loop. Because that's the issue I'm facing is when I invite OBS to the Rumble Studio, obviously it thinks it's an actual participant, so it wants me to hear what they're saying. But the problem is it's me talking, so I'm hearing myself, you know what I mean? And then so is the stream, so it's causing that feedback. So if they created a OBS like option, or an option of local mute instead of global mute, so that way you other participants can hear that user and the other stream viewers can hear it, that would be awesome. And then you wouldn't need workarounds or anything.
You know what?
Like
when the Rumble Studio, when they open the to everyone when they open Rumble Studio to everyone. I noticed that they had that issue. I don't know. Well, you are familiar with the Restream. That when you go to Restream, you have the audio tab. You know that you can either have noise suppression or echo cancellation off. You know that you have it right on the Restream.
Right.
And I send them the code because I got the code from the guy who created Video Ninja. So I spoke to this guy who created Video Ninja, and he sent it to me. And he sent it to me, and he said, "Give it to them. Give it to Rumble Studio. It's free." So I sent it to the tech team from Rumble Studio, but I don't know if they want to implement it. But it's something that if they use that tab, the audio tab on Rumble Studio, then we can stream directly from Rumble Studio, with the high quality audio. So the audio won't be, with the echo cancellation or noise suppression. Right. So you have the option, to send, high quality audio. But, but this RTMP option that they have, I think is a good thing, but they need to, it's still in beta. I think, they're still working on that.
Yeah, definitely. But I mean, it wasn't bad other than like, did you see the flickering on the black areas of my screen?
Yeah, I saw it. Yeah.
And
they need to work on that.
Yeah, and I think the text was like a little hard to read. Like if you saw that index.html on the screen.
I couldn't read it. When you had it on the left side of the screen, I couldn't read it. That little, the letters that you had there. So it's true. But they as soon as they fix all these issues, I think Rumble Studio is going to take over even StreamYard, Restream, and all those platforms that they use, the multicasting streaming, and I'm pretty sure they, for sure. And the another issue, I don't know if you have noticed, but right now I don't have the internet connected to my router. I'm using even though I have a gaming computer, a powerful computer, I have it connected with the Wi-Fi. Okay. But when I stream with the Prison Live Studio to let's say to 6 platforms at the same time, I don't have that issue, with the lagging. Correct. But when I do it with Rumble Studio with the RTMP, with the same internet that I have here, I have problem with the audio is not synchronized, and neither the video is clear. So that's something that I'm pretty sure that they can fix that, with the servers, the same way of Restream has, that you have servers, to send the streaming. I don't know if you have noticed that, or even Twitch, they have those servers, like you decide, I want this server for low latency.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think so. I got someone chatting over. I see you can't see the chat. You can you see the chat from the Twitch people?
Oh yes, I see. That.
Okay, yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah. So
in the ingest servers. Yeah, right. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, I see that. So if they add that, it's a game changer for Rumble Studio.
Yeah, definitely. Yep. And they're using, I think, their servers for this too. That Rumble Cloud.
I think so, but as you know, they using the Rumble Studio is a web browser built platform, but that's what I think. If they do this, like in Restream, that they can add this audio tab in order to that you have the the ability to turn off off and on the audio, let's say the echo cancellation and noise suppression. That would be a huge improvement in Rumble Studio.
Yeah, no, I've used Restream, but I've never used Restream Studio. So I've only used Restream to multi-stream, but I've not actually used their studio software because
I have
they
I have
have
used it.
such crazy pricing for high quality 1080p, which is
Mhm.
ridiculous. Like if you want to actually
Yes,
use
yes.
their studio, they're like, you gotta have that
Oh yeah.
Pro Epic package, which is like $50 a month for
Yeah.
10. It's
Yeah,
crazy.
yeah, it's ridiculous. I used to pay like $75
Oh
a month,
goodness.
and then I said, okay, no.
Yeah.
And then because what they have, the same thing that they have, like
Mhm.
for the audio.
Yeah.
That's the code. This guy, Steve Seguin
Yeah.
from
OBS Ninja.
OBS. Yeah,
Yeah.
OBS Ninja. He sent it to me because I was on the chat and I asked him, and he heard what I was saying on Rumble about this issue. He said, "Oh,
Mhm.
okay. Uh, if you want, I can send you the code and you give it to them." So he sent it because it's public. It's not. And he said, "No, they can use it. No problem. They can use the code and put it on Rumble Studio." And they can fix that problem with the audio because, as you know, Video Ninja has that little tab, that you can have, high quality audio as well. If you when you're doing this video calling as well.
Ooh, I like this. See, I like this. Like, you could be talking, and I could be like, so say we were doing like a thing where you were trying to teach me how to do something like coding or something. Your screen's right down at the bottom right there, and then there's my screen right here. I love this. This is a cool
Yeah, yeah,
feature.
yeah. That's a good bit. And let me tell you what I'm doing. So I have my camera, and all what you see
Mm-hmm.
is on. I'm using vMix. Are you familiar with vMix?
No, I never heard of it.
Okay, vMix is like a Wirecast or OBS,
Oh,
but
okay,
it's a
yeah, yeah.
little
I've used that
but it's
Wirecast
a
back in
little
the day.
more advanced,
Okay.
So that's what I'm doing. So I have my camera here. I
Mhm.
have, I can let's say, for example, I have this Harold Cam.
Mhm.
Just give me 1 second. Let me turn
Yeah,
on
yeah,
the
no
the
worries.
light
Take your
here.
time. This is actually kind of cool. We're learning about like production. Problem is I don't have a webcam connected to my actually, yes, I do. Hold on. I don't have the wire
Just give
to
me a
it.
second. Let me
Yeah,
turn
take your
on.
time, no rush. Do I have a wire for this? I have like 500 webcam. Actually, I do. Hold on, give me a second. Hold on, let's see if I can get myself on screen too. Bear with me, guys. We test it live. But yeah, they definitely need to. I agree. They need to fix that for sure.
So on vMix, I got my cameras. I have my. Okay. Oh, it's not connected. Hold on. It's called NDI Harold Cam.
Okay.
So it's connected with vMix or OBS. You can use it with OBS or let's say with also with Prism, any software. So my camera, I have it here. Okay, I think it's not connected.
So I'm just trying to grab another webcam so I can actually get on cam for about 2 inches of space to work with. I don't have this largest stream area, so bear with
So
me.
here on vMix, I do everything, and I send my camera and all what I'm doing on vMix. I send it with the webcam, NDI webcam, and also NDI webcam audio. So I got my microphone on vMix, and I'm sending to Studio or to any other software.
Mhm.
Yeah. So let me see.
Whoops.
The camera is not working. So, for example, if I play a video here, let's say, okay, this is, let me. I'm gonna mute it there. So you see, That's what I have. I have this on. I don't know if you can hear it there.
I don't. Oh, there we go. Now I can. Yeah.
Can you hear that?
Yep.
Yeah. So it's something. I have it right here on the on vMix, so I can send any audio, any video. I can do it and send it from here to.
Ooh, this is cool.
Yes. So let me move my camera because I have it on this because I was showing how to do the same you're doing with OBS or with Prison. I was doing with vMix because it's the same concepts. You can do the same. You grab your streaming key and your RTMP and you just put it in vMix or OBS or Warcast. So and also are you familiar with how do you call it XSplit Broadcaster?
Oh yeah, that's an oldie. That's an oldie right there. I haven't heard that name in a while.
Yeah. I've been using I have the license too from that, but they trying to improve it. And also I used another
So Wirecast was my first one because I only had a MacBook Pro back in the day, and Wirecast was like the only software that would allow for streaming back in the early 2000s. Yeah, I think I've heard of vMix before. It sounds very familiar.
Yeah, vMix, yeah, and they're pretty good. They've been improving they have the vMix call where you can bring like 8 participants, or participants during the stream with the high quality audio. Let me tell you, high quality. When I say high quality audio, means that the same audio that you're broadcasting on the computer, for example, a video, or you're playing an instrument, you're playing a guitar, they can hear the same. It's not like this kind of audio, like it's not clear. No,
right,
clear audio. So they have very good technology on that. When they do the video calling. So, but you need a powerful, internet like the one you have, because I'm pretty sure you have a very good internet in your house. Yeah. So especially when you're doing coding or gaming. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Like I think and I think a potato. What's his name? I'm so bad with usernames. Grumpy potato. You know who I'm talking about, right?
Lumpy.
Thank you, Lumpy. Yeah, he was talking about this. See how it's so zoomed in to me right now.
Yeah,
it's same with you. This was one thing he did mention the other day, that when they were trying to do when they were trying to test this out, running a podcast, it was so zoomed into people's faces.
Yeah.
So I think this part needs to be, because like it is like right here on my face, and then your screen. You know what I mean? So if I switch it to solo, it looks great. But then if I go to like duo, now I don't know what it would look like if there was like a, hey, Pro Evils, did you want to test this out? I'm kind of curious what 3 people in here or something would look like. Just kind of curious. So you do all your stuff. So basically, instead of OBS, you just run everything up with vMix, right?
Yeah, I do it with vMix. So what I'm using vMix as the studio, but I can send my camera, my everything that I have here. I can send it to OBS or Prison. So that's what when I was streaming to Prison to Rumble, that's what I did. I did everything here, and I was capturing to Prism using the NDI tool. So I'm gonna show you. Yeah. Sorry, my English is not good.
No. You're fine. I appreciate you showing.
Okay, I'm gonna show you the NDI. What I'm talking about. What is NDI tool? The NDI tool is this one here. Let me just give me 1 sec. This is the NDI tool. Can you see it?
Yep.
Okay, so here it is called. These are different tools that they have. You know, you have the remote, which means that you can bring any computer. Somebody's, let's say, you want to stream. You have a reporter from, let's say, from the Middle East, from Israel, and you want to bring him live on your production. So, and you can bring him with the remote, with the audio, and the camera. You know, is very common. This kind of tool with the news, you know, outlet. You know, also you have the studio monitor. That's, you know, you can have different things, you know, that you can bring during. It's like a let's say you want to connect your camera, your audio, so a studio monitor will do that, and the webcam, the NDI webcam will send your camera and your audio to any source. Let's say any platform.
Sorry to interrupt. Is this vMix? Is this a tool that vMix gives you?
vMix works with it, and also Prison works with it, and also yes, and also OBS. So you can you download it. You go to newtek.com, and you can download NDI tools.
Okay. So, because here's what I've been trying to figure out how to do. So I do my live streams, right, from my Prism app, and I usually do the multicast using Prism. And the problem is I don't have my overlays. I don't have anything that my computer has in OBS. I've been trying to figure out how to stream my cell phone from a remote location to my OBS. You know how you see IRL streamers do it all the time?
You can do it. You can do it with NDI. So NDI would capture any computer that you have connected to the same network. Let's say, okay, I have 7 computers. So the 7 computers will be communicating each other. So in one you have your overlays, or you have this, you have that, and then the NDI will recognize each screen on your production, on your live stream. So that's pretty much
cool. But you said it has to be in the same network, though, right?
Yeah, but also if you're gonna do remotely, the NDI remote, then you can let's say you can bring any computer that is not. It doesn't have to be on the same network.
Right. So say I wanted to have. Okay, so we have Pro Evils in chat, right? So there's a few ways I could bring him in. Now, if we weren't using Rumble Studio, I would have to do either OBS Ninja, which would work, but it could be a little laggy because it is running through the browser, of course. But if we wanted to do an NDI connection, I could use that software and send him a thing, and he can stream his computer.
You can bring 8. Let's say 8. I'm gonna show you.
Sure.
Just give me 1 second. I'm gonna show you in real time. Okay, just give me 1 second. My wife is. No worries. Hey, baby, what's up?
This is cool, guys. I like this.
Okay, sí. Okay, está bien, yo lo hago. ¿Está bien?
We're learning all kinds of stuff today.
Okay, está bien, yo lo hago. Sí, está bien, babe. Okay, yo lo hago ahora. Okay, no hay problema, okay. Sí. Okay, yo lo busco, okay. Sí. Está bien. I'm rushing you. Okay. Bye. Okay. Sí. Pero sí. Está bien. Sí. Sí, está bien. Nosotros vamos. Okay, no problem. Okay, babe. Bye. Sorry.
No, you're fine. Did you see did you see what Pro Evils put in chat? He sent me a site called ping.gg. It's a I don't really know what it's something.
I never. No, I saw that. I said ping GGG. What is that? or Twitch.
Ping.gg, yeah. It's
Guest feature.
yeah, it's effectively a third-party Twitch guest service.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't know that. Oh,
Interesting.
that's interesting. Okay, so this is what we do.
Mm-hmm.
So with the remote, you send an invitation, and you're gonna get, that invite.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna get it here, and then OBS or Prison or Vmix, they will recognize each input. So each call is an input. So and you're gonna start adding it during your presentation if you want to bring someone, or you want to have the production from somebody anywhere. Now the computer that has you want to see the game they doing, and they send it to you. Yeah, you can do that with the NDI.
Okay, that's pretty cool. So so something I kind of wanted to do, right? And obviously this is probably way in the future when I get a budget to get camera equipment. So I've always thought, you ever see those, like, I'm big into like ghost paranormal investigation videos. You ever see they go to a place, they investigate it, they have all the footage recorded, they do their editing, and then they put the video on YouTube. How cool would it be to do a live stream investigation? Now the problem is, that would require a studio, a lot of equipment, but I think the camcorders or video cameras today have built-in NDI technology.
Yeah.
So in
with
theory,
with the NDI technology, you can do that. You see, I have this camera here. Let me show you. This is the HaroCam. It's a little old, but it's a. Oh, sorry.
I can see it.
So it's a NDI.
Oh, so that doesn't even use USB? Oh, wow. Okay.
I connect it with this.
Yeah.
And I can have the camera right on here.
Oh, wow. Okay, so that doesn't even use USB. It's just pure network.
So it's the same thing. Like if you have a HDMI, let's say you have a NDI camera. Let's say you have an NDI or several NDI cameras.
Yeah.
Abroad, you can bring it.
So how do you? Okay, so you said you can use Prism to do an NDI. When I open up the Prism app and hit Add Destination, I cannot. How do you? Where's the option for NDI? Because I don't see it in Prism.
Yeah, it has it. Yeah. So let me show you.
I cannot find it because I've opened up Prism and it doesn't show me. It says the only thing I can add is an RTMP connection.
Let me see. Let me open Prism right here. Just give me 1 second.
Yeah, no worries. Take your time. Because when I was when I click on my channels and hit add platforms, it just says custom RTMP, but there's no NDI option.
Just give me 1 second.
Yeah, because someone told me to use some other mobile app software called what was it called? I'm drawing a blank. It has like built-in everything, but it's like $20 a month or something like that. I'm like, ooh.
Yeah, for an NDI.
Yeah, it does NDI. It does everything. It's not Prism. It's hold on, live streaming mobile. It's called Click something. I'm trying to see if I can find it. I like how Restream and Stream Yard and all that get advertised, even though they're not mobile apps. Are you talking about Prism Mobile or Prism Desktop?
I can have Prism. This I have it in the desktop and also in my telephone as well.
Yeah, I meant to tell. Yeah, I just clarify. I meant the phone app. Sorry.
Okay, so here it is. Let's say on the. Just give me 1 second. Let me.
No worries.
Let me bring it to Prism to Vmix. Can you see here?
Yep, that's the desktop. Yep.
Okay, so what I do is I go to source. I have it in Spanish, but
Mhm.
and I want to capture any device or anything. So when you go to, you see, anything that has NDI, I will get it here. You see NDI webcam. Oh, sorry. You can see that. Let me open that window.
No worries.
Sorry. Let me open the other window. 3. It's 2, number 2. Hold on.
Oh, lyrics broadcaster. That's what I was trying to think of.
Oh, lyrics. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of if you want to do like NDI streaming, you have to pay like $20 a month to use it.
Yeah. Oh, lyrics. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you can use that. You can, they this one has it. The NDI thing.
Mhm.
But the first thing you have to do is download the NDI tools on your computer. That's it.
Right.
And then we'll recognize. Excuse me?
So I see you can do this with Prism Live Studio, but how do you do this with like your phone Prism, your mobile Prism app?
How I bring it to my phone?
Yeah.
I mean, as a camera or was
Correct. Yeah. So you saw how earlier were you here earlier when I had my microphone? Yeah. You saw my microphone plugged into the phone and whatnot. How do you bring that source from your phone to your computer through NDI?
Okay, so I'm gonna show you because I'm using another. Hold on, give me.
No worries.
Also, I use this. I use another software, or it's not a software. Well, yeah, it is. It's called Manicam. Have you heard about Manicam?
Oh yeah, wow, that's an oldie. I've heard of that years ago, man.
Well, let me tell you, Manicam, they have been improving for the last. Just give me 1 second. I'll show you what.
Yeah, no worries. Take your time. Because if Prism added in the default NDI option, that would improve that mobile app so much better.
Okay, so Manicam has the NDI input.
Okay.
So I'm gonna connect my phone.
This is cool.
With Manicam.
Mm-hmm.
Let me show you. Hold on.
This is neat. I like this.
Okay, so okay, hold on. Just give me 1 second.
Yeah. Take your time. Thank you, and I appreciate you taking the time to show me this stuff.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, we're here now. I like this.
Yeah, this is neat. I'm learning things. You said, is it Manny?
Okay, so I'm gonna connect my phone to vMix.
Okay.
And you will see it. You're gonna see my screen on the phone.
Sure.
Just give me 1 sec.
It's called Manmy or Manny. MAN.
Manicam is MANIY. Manicam.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Is it the one with the little the blue, the green, the yellow, and the little eye icon? Okay, cool. I gotcha.
I bought during the pandemic. I bought the license, because they have very low price, and I got the premium one. But they still have they still have the very good price,
Yeah.
And I like it. I like it very much. Okay, so let me open this here. I'm gonna open. Okay, what is this? Okay, hold on.
Man, I'll tell you that NDI technology tool would be so nice. Have you tested it with video games from streaming video games from one computer and then sending that NDI video feed over to another? Have you tried that yet? Is it clear, crystal clear quality, no lag?
No lag.
Wow.
Crystal clear. It's amazing. This technology, and they have the newest one is NDI. The NDI 6. That's the newest one. Oh yeah, this
is called NDI tools. All right, let me look this up.
NDI tools.
Okay, I see. I think I had a buddy of mine tell me about NDI. I just didn't understand what it was. Is it the website, take control of your connection, all the tools and plugins needed?
The website is newtech.com.
Oh, Newtech? Yeah, this is NDI.video.
Yeah.
I must be on the wrong side.
So you get it from them. Yeah.
Oh, Newtech. Yeah, I see. Newtech NDI. Okay, yeah. I see what you're talking about. Okay, I was on the other side.
And you look for NDI tools.
Yeah. Live production systems, TriCaster. Yeah, they got a lot of software.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they are on top of the line.
Yeah. Premium access control panels. So interesting.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you in real time. With my my telephone. I'm gonna bring my telephone to this.
And just to clarify, you're not on the same network with it. Oh,
no.
Neat. Oh yeah, you're not. Wow, that's cool.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you. Let me move it a little bit to the side. Right here. So I can do that with BMX, that I can move,
Right.
So so here's a Minicam, okay?
Okay.
See?
Yep. It's cool.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect it. You see the blue icon over there?
I do, yep.
I'm gonna connect it. It says NDI.
Yep.
You see it?
Yep.
So I'm gonna hit NDI. It's gonna turn red. And it's looking for the NDI on right here. Okay, NDI. So I'm gonna bring my phone to the sector, and I'm gonna bring it to from. So you see my phone, right?
I do, yep.
So I'm gonna bring it from Minicam. Because it's connected, and I'm gonna connect it from this second monitor. So here I am.
Oh wow, look at that. Nice.
See?
Yep.
Right. So it's connected with the NDI.
Wow, look how clear that, and then the audio, and you can bring the audio.
You can bring the audio in real time. There's no lagging.
Wow, look at that, and that's over the network. That's not even using
no, I can go. I can connect it from any other site.
Right, so you're not on Wi-Fi. Sorry, that's what I meant to ask. Oh wow, that's crazy.
I'm using the. I'm not connecting the same network. No.
Have you tried something called Elgato EpoCam?
I heard about it, but I never tried it. No.
Yeah. Now the issue with that, from what I've been told, is you need to be on the same network for that to work. Because if you're not on the same network, it can't detect that your phone.
No. Yep. So that's pretty much. So if you have the NDI tool, there's a lot of things you can do with the NDI tool.
Wow. That is Oof. That's a lot.
Yeah.
That's crazy. So now let me ask you about vMix. Can you stream from vMix or is it just a production studio?
No, you can stream from vMix
Oh, you
to three different places or platforms. Yeah.
Okay, so you could do so you could stream either A directly to Twitch or B you could go to Rumble Studio or you could even use something like Restream, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep.
And then you use vMix as like this massive studio to set up multiple like scenes and everything, but it's much easier to see what you're doing.
Yeah, because you can do all this. For example, I'm going to show you in real time this what I'm doing on vMix.
Mm-hmm.
So I can do this, you know, and change the letter. Hello, live on Rumble Studio. Yeah, I'm doing this right on vMix. You see those letters running?
Yeah, I do. That's cool. That marquee effect.
Also, yeah, and also, hold on. Oh, you seeing the letters running?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And also, let's say you want to have like, let's say 6 invites.
Okay, nice. And then you can have them live screen, like a news report, basically.
Yeah.
Or a presentation. Gotcha.
Box. Yeah. Let's say Rumble Studio.
Mm-hmm.
You can have, let's say in box number 2, you can have Logitech. You can have, you can do all that.
Right. And then you just resize it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, you can do that. And also, yeah, you can bring, let's say I want to bring my second desktop.
Mm-hmm.
And I mean, my monitor, I can bring it here too. So there's a lot of stuff. So it works with NDI also.
I like this something called vMix Social that allows you to bring comments and chats right into your stream. That is neat.
Yeah, you have it. I have that too.
Wow. Now, how much is vMix? Is it a monthly subscription or?
Yeah, they have that, but it's better to buy, the license for, and it's yours forever. It's 1,200, and it's
okay.
Yeah, and you get your but it's yours forever. You can have it in 2 computers. The license, and you can
Oh, I see. Lifetime. So they have a subscription option, or you can do the license. Okay, I see.
Yeah. And also, as I said, you have the vMix call. For example, I'm gonna do the vMix call with my phone. I'm gonna show you. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, no worries. Oh, SRT outputs. Okay, so that's the multi-stream right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you copy link. I'm gonna send myself the link. It's the same concept of Rumble Studio, but
right.
And the audio is, from the phone better. Is much better. I'm gonna send it to myself. Gonna get it from here.
I do like the NDI stuff. That is really neat.
Oh yeah, that NDI. Yeah, that's huge.
Because for OBS I use a widget called multiple output, so I can multi-stream to different. So Twitch is usually my main feed, and then I have Rumble and everything flowing through the thing. But I've been trying to figure out how to do the NDI stuff. I think there's a way to do it, but it's finding the app on the phone. But this ManyCam sounds like it's got fully featured NDI.
Yeah,
built right into it. Yeah. Wow. That's pretty cool.
Okay, that's me on
your phone.
On using the vMix call.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So you could either use NDI or you could just use the caller, right?
Yeah.
To stream your mobile phone to your the vMix.
From anywhere. Yeah, to vMix. Yeah, you can do that. Or your computer. You can do the vMix to vMix. Means you can connect two computers, or say.
Yeah.
What you're doing, you send it to me, and I can, in real time, I can hear the same audio you have in that computer. It comes to my computer. It's good for hello. Hola. That's my yeah. You see, the audio is not that good because it's from my phone. Yeah. Usually the microphone is not that good from the phone. But yeah, so you can do that. And I do it when I want to connect with. I'm original from the Dominican Republic, and I want to send a report from here to any TV station to the Dominican Republic. What I do is I prepare everything here, and I can have my report from here with high quality audio straight to the TV station in the art, or say South America or Spain. I can do that. Or Italy. I want to send it to them, and they get it through the through the web. They get that. It's a web. vMix is like a web. The same like Video Ninja. They have the same thing like that. But it's a little bit more advanced. Advanced vMix core, especially for that.
Interesting.
But it's on the same price. You pay for the package, and it's yours forever.
Yeah.
And nobody else can use it.
I'm hearing double audio from you, by the way. Your phone mic's still picking up.
Sorry.
I was just like, no, you're fine. Now, it says right here, though, I don't know if you've seen this, but it says that vMix has built-in NDI tech to send and receive. Have you tried it yet? So you might not even need the NDI tools to do it. You know what I mean?
You don't need it. But the good thing of the NDI is it's not gonna, when you're doing the NDI on your, let's say on your studio or your computer, the NDI tools is not gonna eat your data, or I mean your internet, because they have their own servers. That's a good thing of that.
Oh, okay. So when you use NDI through vMix, it uses your internet, right?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So vMix is gonna be free. You're gonna be streaming, no lagging, and everything is gonna be nice and clear. Yeah.
Got it. But when you use NDI tools,
no. If you use NDI tools, that's what I mean. But with vMix, for example, you can do vMix to vMix. Means that my production, I send it to you to your computer, and you see everything I'm doing, and everything you see it there. The same way we're doing now, like capturing my production. Yeah, same way. But with NDI is a high quality protocol. They call it, NDI protocol. So it's high quality thing.
Have you seen this IRL toolkit thing for it's what they use for IRL backpacking. It's a service.
It's like the SRT. That's what you're talking about.
What is it? Stream a live server. I don't know if it uses SRT. It's for the LiveU device, but you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
LiveU.
It says I've built and hosted one of those ingest servers before and streamed to it. Forward it onto Twitch and also your website. Yeah, does this use NDI or does this use SRT though? I don't even know what the difference is.
Yeah, But let me tell you, the future is NDI.
You think so?
Special
You think
yeah,
that's the
yeah.
best one out of it?
Oh yeah, there's that technology and all the devices they are uh, creating
Mhm.
right now. They all come with the NDI thing. The
Yeah.
cameras they come with the NDI, everything. Yep.
Right.
It's a pretty good technology created, developed like 25 years ago, but it's a good thing
Yeah.
because the
Yeah.
guy who that that developed is did it like 25 years ago. He said
Hmm.
that will be the future, but many people didn't believe. But now everyone is talking about NDI.
Yeah, and then I know the lot of stuff that's come out too is HLS. There we go. That's another tech.
Oh
Um
yeah.
RTM stuff's crazy.
Oh yeah, that yeah, that's another. Some guys they're already developing
Yeah.
softwares with that.
I'm not sure if you know who this streamer is. Probably not, but I would invite you to look at her production. Her name is BB Jess. Have you ever heard of her before? She's a younger streamer. BB Jess. She does Kick and Twitch. I don't know if you've ever heard of her. Have you?
No, I never heard it.
Yeah, here. Let me see if I can find this because her production is beyond anything I've ever seen in my entire life. I swear to you, it's the best. It's out of this world. It really is. Here, I got to show you. I don't know how she does what she does. She has probably like 8 cameras set up, and it is
Wow.
insane. And she has hold on, let me see. She has like green screen effects and all kinds of stuff going on. Here, let me see if I can find something as an example. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Here. Let me share my screen with you. Share screen. All right. Can you see my screen? All right, here, let me go to presentation.
No,
all right, there we
yeah,
go.
I see it.
All right. You should be able to hear this. Can you hear that okay?
No audio.
Oh, they don't do audio. Oh, okay. Well, example of like what she's so like I think she's got a green screen behind her. I think. I'm not 100% sure. But look at this. This is insane. And she has like, I don't know how she's pulling that off, but she's got like almost, it looks like a virtual studio. But she's just standing in one spot.
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah. And yeah, I think once I tried that.
Yeah.
But that thing costs a lot of money.
Oh, yeah. She's definitely got like.
Yeah, it's a 3D. It's like a 3D thing, Yeah, you have to pay for it.
And there's another one. I'm trying to find a better example. Maybe this one. But there's one where she's standing there, but she's got like this remote control, right? It's just like, it's this little device. Yeah, right here. So she's got multiple camera angles, and see that little pink device she's got in her hand? That is literally switching between multiple cameras.
I'm pretty sure that she's using the NDI tools for that.
She's got to be doing something like that. But this is some of the most craziest production I've ever seen in my entire life. Yeah, like right there. So she can like switch between scenes and everything. And it's crazy.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it is like crazy what she can do with her. Like, look, like this is a prime example right here. Look at the setup. Yeah. There's all those cameras right there, and she's showing you like the multiple angles.
Yeah,
it's crazy.
I'm sure that she's using that technology, the protocol NDI.
Right, and as you can see, it looks like she's got someone actually running her stream for her, but she's doing it with this little pink remote control. It's crazy. The creativity that goes into her stream. So like that right there was like a really good example of like the stuff you can do. And that's just one person doing all that.
Yeah, with the remote control. I'm going to show you, this is.
Nope, still there? Hello? Did we go down? Hello? Can you guys hear me? Uh-oh. Hello? Here, let
I'm
me
here. Okay.
Oh,
Can
okay,
you
there
hear
we
me?
go. Now I can hear you.
Yeah. It's when I switched the camera,
All right, no
everything
worries,
went
no
off.
worries.
Yeah. No, I'm gonna show you this piece of software. It's called Camel.
What is it called? Camel?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
CAMO Studio.
Oh, Camo.
And yeah, Camel. Yeah. And
Oh.
so I'm gonna use Camel as my camera, and I'm gonna bring it to vMix will recognize Camel as my camera. And I'm gonna bring it here. Let me see my camera. Camel. Okay, here is Camel. So here's Camel. So I'm doing this with Camel. Let me see if I can. Just give me 1 second.
Yep.
So you see, I can do it with this piece of software. You see the changes I'm doing?
Okay, that's affected through the software?
Yeah. I use that. Sometimes for the when I want to have some effect. I use that, but you need a lot of let's say lighting on your computer or in front of you. Yeah, I can do that. So let me switch it again. Put my camera. This is this camera that I'm using is Logitech.
Oh, Logitech? Yeah. I have the C920 too.
Yeah.
And the what was the other one? The Brizo, something like that. I have that one too.
Yeah.
And then I got an Elgato one when they came out with their stuff.
Elgato.
Yeah, there's also another streamer that just has Twitch. Her name is Code Nico. She started off as doing like coding streams, right? And she had this idea of creating a virtual character in Unreal Engine that would be a stream personality. And she built this and
So this is the NDI camera that I'm using right now.
Oh, nice.
Connected. Yeah. So it's not connected to my. It's not connected to my my computer. It's just connected to the internet.
Gotcha. Yeah.
And I can bring it.
What kind of soundboard you rocking there?
Oh, this is a Mackie.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. No, it's a PV. Sorry, it's a PV. PV. 10BT. Some is a kind of old, but it's good. I like it.
It looks nice, yeah. And I see you have a what is it? Soft yeah, that thing. What's it called again?
I have this capture card, and I have the Focusrite.
Yeah. There we go. The Focusrite. Yeah.
Yeah, because I use the Focusrite when I want to clear audio on my phone, for example.
Yeah.
What I do is I connect my phone, and I can, for example, I say, let me stream to let's say TikTok. Right. I never stream to TikTok, but I want to people on TikTok listen to a very good audio through my phone. So I connect from my mixer. I bring the audio to here, right?
Yeah.
To my Focusrite, and I take it out from here with the USB-C and connect it to my phone, and they get the same audio or the same thing I'm playing on that mixer through vMix. They get on my phone with the high quality audio.
Oh, okay. Now, do you have access to TikTok Live yet?
No, not yet. No.
Yeah, me either. Yeah.
Because I'm I don't like to. My song, he's been on TikTok and but I just open an account, but I'm not so interested in that.
Gotcha. Yeah, no, this technology is amazing. Seriously, like I love the stuff that you can just do with all this. Like this is wild.
Yeah, this is from my mother-in-law. Before she passed away, she gave it to me, and so I use it because I connect the audio here when I want to stream with a radio station.
Right.
I just turn it on and I send it from here to my live streaming. I can.
You can plug. That's so cool because you could like take records and use
records and tapes as well. I can play it.
Cassette tapes. I remember that.
Yeah, these
back
those
in the day, we had to use cassette tape. Yeah, record. I love records.
Oh yeah,
like records have such a beautiful sound to them.
Do you know this?
No, what is that? Is that a mic?
Yeah, it's a mic. It's like three mics in one. You have one mic here, one mic on this side, and one here. It's called Sonic Port VX. Sonic Port VX. When I bought it, cost me like $200. If you go again, if you look for it, it costs the same.
Wow.
Still costs the same. And I bought it like 6 years ago.
What's so this is on it.
Well, if you have a laptop and you connect it with the USB to your computer, you take it anywhere. But the beauty of this is the sound. And also you can connect an instrument as well, a guitar or keyboard. Yeah. And it has the connection for the headphones as well. But it's a very good microphone. I still have it here.
Can you use that on your phone as well if you wanted?
Yep.
For a mic?
Yeah,
wow,
you can.
That's nice.
You can use it on your phone too.
Yeah. That's actually pretty nice.
The best to take a very good audio from your is this one.
Yeah, the Focusrite. Yeah, Focusrite's really good. So how I do it now,
I highly recommend it.
I have the Rodecaster Pro 2. That's what my audio interface is.
Okay. That's a good one.
Yeah, it's not bad, but I've noticed. So I have 4 inputs that I can do for like XLR and then instrument inputs. I've noticed that the guitar is decently sounding. Now it could be the interface that I'm using as well. I'm using a what is it? It's a Boss GX 100. Ooh, nice. That's classical, right? Yeah, nylon. I can't play that nicely.
Can you hear the sound?
Oh yeah.
Gypsy Kims. The best sound, if you have a guitar or a keyboard, is like you get your direct box.
Yeah, because I have a keyboard and I tried plugging that into the Rodecaster and it didn't sound very good, believe it or not.
No, that's what I recommend you that you put it in the get a direct. They're very cheap now.
Wait, what's it
And
called again?
it's called Direct Box.
Direct box? Okay.
Yeah, audio direct stereo. Yeah, get a stereo direct box, and you connect your guitar or your keyboard, and you're gonna get good sound on the through the box, because it's gonna kill any noise, any bad audio during your streaming. Yeah.
Yeah, because when I plug it so I have the that Boss GX100 amp and effects pedal. I plug that into the Rodecaster. It sounds okay. I
Oh,
mean, I don't know if
okay.
it.
He says it's like a ground loop. Who's that? It says it's like a ground loop. Yeah, it's isolated. Yeah, you're
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Yeah.
What's it look like again? Can you show me one more time? Sorry, I didn't see it. I was on Twitter chat for a second. Sorry.
I have this one. Oh, sorry.
Oh, I can't see it. Yeah, there we go. Ooh, nice. Okay.
Yeah.
So, what's the ports on that look like? Okay, so you do in. Oh, okay, I see
Yeah.
output, and then the input has the other. Oh, okay, nice. So you plug your piano in there, or your. Interesting. Okay.
So it's gonna like it says isolate. Any noise. And you're gonna pick the clear audio from that instrument,
Yeah.
especially guitar, acoustic guitar, electric guitar,
Yeah.
and to your mixer, very
Something like
very clear.
guitar, it has mono by default, or does it have stereo separation?
Usually, the for the instrument, like a guitar, it has to be like a mono cable, but you can do like both, two cables, and you can do two channels, one left and one right, and then through the speaker it's gonna get a very nice sound.
Okay, nice.
So you panned, the audio. You one on the left and one on the right, like that, and you get two channels if you want, and then the sound is gonna be very good.
Did you see the Rumble Creator House that they were doing last week? Yeah, that looked really neat.
Yeah.
I think it would be cool to get like a bunch of us like musicians out there to that house and just go out by the pool.
You know what I was thinking, because I don't know if you are familiar, but I was like I feel sorry for what happens to them because they disappear. Have you heard about a platform called
LiveSpace?
No.
Oh. Rip.
Let me see if I can find it here. Let me find the logo.
Mixer?
No.
Oh.
They I think it was in 2021 or 2022 that they went away.
Omegle? Oh God.
Let me see if I can find it here, because I used to stream on the platform, and they used to like organize like a fest.
Really?
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm talking about like 600 people in a.
Oh, D-Live?
And they had no, not D-Live. It's another one. I tell you. Let me see if I can find the logo, because
Twitch.
I couldn't go.
That's Kick.
I couldn't go. Wait a minute.
They were a live streaming platform, you said?
Oh yeah, beautiful live streaming platform.
I've never heard of anything but Mixer, and LiveSpace was one. Who else was there? I don't know any other one that shut down. That was...
Oh yeah, they shut down. It was sad, because I let me see if I can find a video here, because I brought them live on the live streaming. Just give me 1 second. I have them here.
Huh.
One of the tech guy was Martin.
Was it a coding live stream place?
It was like
because there was something called live coding.
Yeah, it was very similar to D-Live, very similar, but very friendly. They were also for free speech, but something happened to them. They couldn't afford, to keep, running the.
That literally sounds like LiveSpace. Are you sure? Is it a pink logo, like a square?
No, it was like a purple. I have a video here.
There's Nemo TV. That's purple logo.
Just give me 1 second. I have
that. No worries. I'm very curious of what it was. That's crazy.
Yeah. Float.
I've never heard of Float.
Oh my God. That was Float. Yeah.
Like FOLATE.
Float was like it was FLOT TE.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
Okay, let hold on. Let me bring it to my my production here.
I've never heard of them before in my entire life.
Oh my God, they were growing fast.
Really? I've never heard of them.
Oh yeah, and they were very Okay, hold on. Okay, here it is. My friend Alex Martin. Alex, are you ready?
I am ready. How are you doing tonight?
I'm doing great. Welcome one more time. That's Martin.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate you having me on the show.
Yeah, we are very happy to have you tonight.
Are you using that Vmix caller feature right here?
Yeah, Vmix call. Yeah, we're just going to start. You see, you said that's the logo, Float. I'm going to give you the floor right now, so you start talking about this great social media.
All right.
Go ahead.
Well, just to put it very simply, Float is a freedom-focused and cryptocurrency-friendly social media site. Excuse me. Wasn't ready. Oh, I need another minute. Excuse me. I get excited. We were started by a husband and wife couple, Aaron and Kingsley Edwards, who were looking for a social media site where they could speak freely, talk about what they wanted to talk about, meet up with people who were like-minded, who were doing their own thing, who were interested in free expression and personal responsibility. So the two go hand in hand. And they were also interested in currency. Aaron had been setting up the Las Vegas Bitcoin meetup for a while. And so they met through an event and they got together and they decided, hey, we're gonna build something ourselves, because all the other platforms, Facebook and Twitter, and we don't have to say their names, they just weren't doing the job. You go and you try to talk about stuff and they'd be like, nope, you're done. Nope, you're canceled. And a lot of their friends were also having the same experience. They would have large followings on these traditional or big tech social media sites, and would venture into territory that somebody apparently didn't like, maybe asking the wrong questions or saying the wrong words. Nothing like bad, excuse me. I'm going to be okay, I promise. Sometimes you want to speak freely, and these sites were banning them. They were kicking them off, shutting down their followers, demonetizing them, deplatforming them, saying that they were bad people, saying that their followers were bad people. And Kingsley and Aaron just decided, hey, we've got to build our own social media platform if we want to have a place where we can speak freely, where our friends can speak freely, where we can meet people that don't necessarily agree, but at least are willing to have conversations like adults and say what they think and listen and not just be all ban. So they started Float, and this has been now 2.5 or 3 years. And the site got off to a really fast start. They had a really great team of developers, very small team, who gathered this great prototype of a site, I would call it. They had a lot of the features of Facebook and Twitter and YouTube. So there's videos, you could live stream, you could chat, you could post and reply, images, videos, stuff like that. And they built it all very quickly. But
So now you know, right?
Yeah, that is crazy.
Yeah. So they couldn't afford, to keep running. So
Yeah.
I used to stream like 24/7 through a float,
Yeah.
and but you stream, but after you shut off your live streaming was not recorded on the they couldn't.
Okay.
Yeah, so they didn't have.
I assume they probably used AWS for their streaming servers. Yeah, that gets so expensive. Honestly, and that's the biggest reason why a lot of these live streaming companies shut down is because that's where there we go.
I think they have the servers with Amazon and and during the pandemic we were very vocal against what they were doing with all this vaccination and all this stuff, and they didn't like it. I'm talking about those who got the servers.
Now
so I'm pretty sure.
You guys say the poke. We're on live on YouTube. They're gonna rip my channel down. we can't say the V word on YouTube.
Okay. Yeah. So so we couldn't talk about those stuff in the other platforms. For example, I had over 150,000 followers on YouTube. On YouTube. And I was banned. I was terminated. My channel, MAGA TV 2020, was terminated on YouTube, and I have over like 88,000 on Facebook as well. And then they start, cutting us down, and so we decided to run away from them. And then Float, we were free there. But you know what happened? I told you was that, and they used to organize this Float Fest. Streamers from everywhere were joining or gathering in a place.
Yeah,
where they had live band, music, food, and we know it was like a family reunion. So very good. Yeah, very good thing. So I think that would be a good idea. So we can meet and we can, because I know a lot of people by just through here. For example, now I know you, but we don't know personally. And I know a lot of people from other countries, and I don't know them personally. But I also what I do is also I help radio stations. I help radio stations in different countries in Latin America as well. I assist them in technically.
Yeah.
And so I do that.
Yeah, so Rick's actually in the chat, the head of development for Rumble. So
Rick, that's my brother Rick Rochella. Hey, what's up, Rick?
Listen,
he's the man.
I just want to give an apology to Rick. I bugged this man so much, and I mean it. And I'm like, Rick, can we have stream keys? Rick. I listen. I mean it in the most nicest way.
Yeah.
I always feel bad every time I send him a message. I'm like, he's gonna be like, oh man, not this guy. But I mean, it's because I really want the platform to.
Rick is the man. Let me tell you,
Rick is amazing.
He's a great man.
He really is, man. He
we all. Let me tell you, even I don't know him, and most of the people involved in BMX, we don't know them personally, but we always, talking about the hard work they doing, and we always praying for this great platform and for the people who are involved in this.
And the improvement. Yeah, and the improvements they've made visually to Rumble have been so much better.
Amazing.
Like the color palette is nicer to look at. I love what they've done. And like that campaign thing I just did like 30-40 minutes ago was so cool. That was the first time I've ever did like an ad read on a stream before. And it was right in the studio. You know what I mean? Like bringing things that to creators that we can do that. Like that is so cool. It gives us
Yeah.
opportunities that I wouldn't have known to, who would have, like normally if I was going to go out to like a company, I would have to go research a company. I would have to like contact someone in their marketing department. Hey, can I do an ad read for your stream? You know what I mean? Like all that's done for you. Rumble's taking care of all the work in the back end.
Yeah.
I just got to read the script. The QR code is right there. It's awesome. It's amazing what you're doing at Rumble.
And the good thing of Rumble is that you get to talk to them, to the tech. For example,
Right,
Rick, sometimes I text him and he answer back. That's a good thing, because there's communication between or among everyone, and that's a good thing. And that's why I always say Rumble is the best platform in the world. I always say that because it's amazing. But the job they're doing, and also opening this platform for free speech, to everyone, because that's what we need. We need free speech.
So Rick, if I'm a sucker for grace and empathy. Thank you, Rick. I appreciate it. Hey, Rick, we were just testing out some stuff here in Rumble Studio. So one of the issues we saw, or there's a few things. I tested out OBS originally when I went live through Rumble Studio. So I was able to get my stream key. That was super easy to do. When I streamed to Rumble Studio, the quality of actually, I could just show you. Do you mind if I just show them really quickly? I need to mute myself, so I won't be able to hear you talk for a second, but I just kind of want to show Rick an example of what's going on so he kind of knows what I'm talking about. Here, hold on, Rick. Hopefully you're not delayed at all. Hold on. LSCD project. Here, I just want to show him what it looks like. So there's an idea. CD web design. Okay. Let me quit that. All right, I'm gonna stream to Rumble really quickly. Give me a second. Oh, see, there we go. See, there we go. Oh, see, there we go. Oh, see, there we go. I'm gonna mute this. Okay. Okay. There we go. All right, hold on. I'm gonna shut my mic off from here. All right, can you guys hear me still? Are we good?
Yes.
I can't hear you, so okay, you can hear me? Okay. So Rick, here, let me do solo. Okay, so here, I'm gonna open up my code editor, Rick, and show you what we're seeing over here. So I'm streaming OBS right now. What you're seeing, Rick, on screen is my OBS. So when I send OBS over to Rumble, Rumble Studio, there's a few things. There's some like flickering right here, and then if you notice, there's like some text stuff right here. So yeah, that's just like some minor, small little things, and then there's some audio loop feedback going on. I can't mute my OBS, so if there's a way to like mute that, then that would be great. So I don't hear it on my end, but the stream still hears it. So yeah, what I thought I'd do is like maybe like put together like a list of our experiences on here, but I think this is amazing what's been started. This is really cool stuff. So I'm excited. All right, I'm back. I'm excited to kind of like see where they go with this, but yeah, I appreciate it. But good work, man. You and your team are doing amazing stuff, Rick. Seriously. Your mic is distinct from your cam now. Oh, was it? Oh. Can you hear me okay now? Or can I hear you now? Here, let me Okay, I'm back. Can you hear me now? There we go. You can hear it? Okay, perfect. All right, now I can hear you, Samuel. Oh, no, I can't. I have it muted. My bad. Okay,
Yeah.
I can hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Just kidding. Now I can hear you. Okay.
Good.
But yeah, seriously, like that team's doing amazing stuff over there. But yeah, so there, I feel bad. So I had an issue with the kick thing with the URL saying, "Oh, the URL is not valid," and then I was like, I tested it after they said they fixed it, and I was like, yeah, there's no error. But I think the way I said it sounded like kick actually worked, custom RTMP connections worked, but it actually didn't. So they're working on it as we speak right now. They're trying to get that fixed. Like, how cool is that? Like, who could you talk to from another streaming platform that would immediately jump right on there? Nobody. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, that's how cool Rumble is. Like, we literally said today there's an issue and they're already their team's testing it and working on it as we speak.
Yeah.
Like, Eddie, you don't have time for me, man.
And let me tell you something else about Rumble.
Mm-hmm.
Rumble is like it's like being with families, because in other platforms, I won't like ask or tell anyone to join me, because sometimes you don't know what kind of people are going to, what they're going to be broadcasting, during the time you let them, through the broadcasting. Like, for example, I ask you, can I join? And you open the camera, I mean, the access and the microphone to me. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
So this is the only platform where you got, people with values, people that that they're family or oriented, and that's a good thing, that of this platform. In other platforms, you're scared to to let somebody jump into a streaming, because you don't know what they're gonna show, or
right.
things. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
But this is a good thing, and I'm really appreciate what you did. You let me talk to you during this live streaming, and show some stuff that we have here, like, and all the the softwares that I use as well. So I'm learning from you as well. It's like like being at school where you go to learn, and meet people, good people. It's like I like this. I like
definitely.
it's like
I can't wait for them to make the tweaks to the Rumble Studio. I think it's going to be so much better. Like, when it's fully like polished, it's going to change a lot, because like I said, having the campaigns in there are going to be so helpful for people, because now you're not relying on like subscribers and stuff like that. You know what I mean? Now my question is I think you're only allowed to do one campaign read per stream though. So that it'd be kind of nice if it opened up a little bit more for like,
you know who can have the answer for that? Rick Rochella. Let's ask him.
I'll wait until he fixes the other stuff before bringing up ad campaigns.
Yeah.
But no, I mean, this is a great start. You know what I mean? This is really good. Amazing. Yeah, no, like I said, I think once they polish the other stuff, it's gonna be good. I would love to once they're done with their tweaks with the OBS input, I would love to do a gaming stream on here and see what the quality is like.
Oh yeah, that's a good thing.
Yeah, I would love to test that out.
I'm also using this piece of software, or let's say device.
Mm-hmm.
This is it. And so what I do with this is when I want to send audio from my telephone to my mixer. For example, I want to play a track from my phone. I can use this, and I can send it from here and send it back to my phone with this.
Oh wow!
Yeah,
that is crazy. I like this.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna take some time now, because I think my wife want me to.
Oh yeah,
to cook. No, she just called me, and she want me to start with the dinners. I'm gonna work on that now.
Yeah, no worries. Hey, listen, I appreciate you taking the time out to like show me all this stuff. There's a lot to go over. But I'll check out the end. I don't think I have the funds right now to pull off the VMix stuff, because that's a little bit of a price tag, but maybe down the road.
Yeah, you can try it. They give you 60 days for of
Oh, okay.
free, so you
Oh,
can use the
well, in
full
that case.
the full software now for 60 days. You try it,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
then
definitely.
you can, when you have the money, you can get it. Yeah,
Yeah,
but
now the
it's a good.
I definitely want to test out the NDI tools. I think
The
that's gonna
NDI
be
is free. It's
really
free.
neat.
NDI 6
Yeah.
is free. It's free.
Okay.
Yeah, you can use. Yeah.
And then yeah, no, honestly, like if Prism Studio could install NDI into their app, I think that would make that app like tip top awesome, because I just think that's what's missing right now is that NDI, because Lyrics is very expensive, $20 a month just to stream from your phone to NDI. Like,
Lyrics used to be free,
of
but
course,
now
that's how it always starts.
yeah.
Which I listen, you got to make money to keep the company going. I get it. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? Like,
Actually, I'm using this one. I'm pretty sure you are familiar with it. It's called Camera File Live.
no,
Have
I
you heard
haven't
about
heard
it?
that. Nope.
It's very similar to Lyrics. Yeah, but you have to pay like $10 a month.
Yeah, but didn't
to
you
use
say the Manicam does just as good as job for it?
Manicam,
Yeah.
you get the license for I think right now is $70, and you get the premium license for life. It's
Okay.
yours forever. And let me tell you what is good. What is good from Manicam, that for example, is connected with your, when you do the registration, you do it with your email. So
Mhm.
you want to put in another computer, you can do it.
Oh wow.
So it's not like in this computer you can move it from there, like Vimix. Vimix is like that. If you're gonna move it to another computer, you gotta let them know, because they don't want just to avoid that people are doing tricking with the let's say with the license. But with
Right.
Minicam, with the Minicam, you can use it in other computer. You can use it on your phone,
Mhm.
because it's a phone app as well, but also is on your computer. But it's also a studio.
Gotcha.
It's
Yeah, because I'll tell you right now, like the way I stream my coding from my MacBook over to OBS on my PC, I have an integrated Elgato 4K capture card, so I have to plug the HDMI into the card, then another HDMI over to my MacBook Pro, which has to go into because my MacBook Pro only has USB-C on it, so I have to use an adapter for USB-C to HDMI. It's quite the process, I'll tell you. So like having NDI tech on, so I'd have to find a way to get the NDI tech onto my Mac screen to send over to vMix, right?
So, with Minicam, I don't know if you can see here.
Yeah, I got your screen. Yep.
You see, so you can. These are windows that you can be opening and switching at the same. So you can do like look at this. These are all. It's like a mini studio. It's the same thing like you do in vMix. So the same thing. See?
Oh, okay.
So you can have, for example, I can have. Let me add something here. Let me add NDI.
Now, this software you're showing me, is this Manicam PC?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is Manicam. Yeah. For example, I wanna. You see, that's my camera on Manicam. I just brought it from vMix to here.
Oh.
And let's say I want to add a video. Let's say, you see here the RTMP servers.
No.
And you wanna add, let's say, let's. Sorry, you can see it because that's another window. So let me open the other window. You see, sorry. Let's say, I think it's this one here. if you can see that.
I was just looking over at that ad read I did earlier for the coffee thing, and I instead of saying 1775,
when you were reading that,
I was supposed to say 1775coffee.com.
1775.
But I was like $1775. Hey, you know what? Either way, you guys got the idea to go to that website, which is pretty
Okay,
cool.
so with Manicam,
Mhm.
you can stream. You are allowed to stream to different platforms at the same time. Let's say you want to stream to Rumble Studio with Manicam, you can do it as well.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah. And you can stream, if you want to stream to Rumble Video, you do it as well. If you want to stream to Twitter, you do it with Manicam.
Gotcha. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely have to check out.
So you see here that says streaming, live streaming.
Yep.
Okay, so let me get this window out so you see where you can stream. No, let me capture the whole window so you see what I'm doing. Okay, you see here?
Yep.
Facebook, YouTube, Twitch.
NDI.
Allow NDI output. Rumble live streaming. It's right there.
Nice. Yeah, right there.
So you can stream and you just add, the custom server.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say Rumble Studio. Let's say Rumble Studio. And you put your server here, which is the, and then the streaming key, and you add your server, and then you go streaming. So you can do live streaming the same way you do it with Prison or OBS. You can do it with this one, with Manicam.
Yeah, I'm using it right now. This is pretty neat stuff. The camera. So with the I'm just trying to figure out the outputs. Got it. Prefer quality over FPS. Incoming request.
Yeah, you can. I think you can have the camera in 4K as well in Manicam. They set 4K.
Yeah, I'll definitely have to look up the whatchamacallit, because like if I go to broadcast, I just gotta figure out how exactly you
You mean on Manicam?
Yeah, like when I click on NDI, it starts it, but there's no settings.
It's looking for that source.
Oh, the NDI source.
Yeah. You need the NDI source to be connected. If it's a computer, let's say you have a telephone or you have any source that is connected to that NDI branch, is gonna show up on Manicam.
Yeah. So like when but how do you tell it to go to your so if you're out and about, like how do you tell it to go to your computer though with NDI Connect? Because if you're not on the same network, how does it know to go there? You know what I'm talking about, right? So say I'm out and about at the gym, but I have NDI tools turned on here at the house. How do you invite the phone?
With Manicam, you can do it.
Yeah, but like there's no, I don't see a setting unless it's in the settings.
On the setting, on the NDI, okay, I show you. Just give me 1 second.
No worries.
Let me go back to Manicam.
Yeah, like have the app open right now.
Okay, so here it is. So let me show you. So here's Manicam, okay? So right here, you see all these little windows right here?
Yeah.
The button? Okay, I said, okay, let me add, you see mobile device?
Yeah.
So your mobile device is going to be connected to your computer, but you need to download the Manicam app on your telephone. So it will recognize it right away, and you can connect from there.
Gotcha. Okay. Now, is there a way to? How do you
So
feed that? Oh, okay,
see,
gotcha.
you see that I got my phone here.
All right, now
But also, you see, but also something else that you can do with this. For example, I said, okay, let me broadcast to. I show you.
Because you were able to take ManyCam directly into vMix, right? Directly.
Oh yeah, you can do that too. ManyCam can come to vMix or as a camera.
Right.
Yeah. So I let me show you this very quick on.
Sure. I know you got to go. Sorry, I don't mean to keep holding you up.
No problem. No problem. Let me show you what I can do with my telephone on ManyCam with the app on my telephone. Just give me 1 sec. Okay, here it is. Okay, so here is ManyCam. You see it there?
Yep.
On top. So if I hit ManyCam here, okay, I select and hold on, let me get it here. I want to stream to Rumble. Decline because I don't want to connect it with my. So and I want to stream to Rumble. That you know, don't you know that you can stream to Rumble video with your phone? You can't. You know that, right?
Yeah.
You can't. But with ManyCam, I can do it. Look what I did. So I took Rumble. I took my Rumble RTMP and my it's in my streaming key. I got my streaming key, the one that I can use anytime. And if I hit streaming here, I'm streaming right now on Rumble with my telephone to Rumble video, no Rumble Studio. I'm streaming straight to Rumble video with my telephone. So I'm doing it with my telephone to Rumble video.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so I can do that, and I can do it to any other platform with my telephone. But this camera, let's say you want to bring your camera straight to
vMix.
Sorry, no, to ManyCam.
Oh, okay.
I'm right there.
Okay, I see. It connects to the account. Interesting. All right, so we can get pretty creative with this.
So you can stream, but I can send this signal from anywhere.
Right.
So I can broadcast to. See how I did this transferring? Let me do it again. You will see. So I can transfer it from one camera to the other one with the hair. Okay, hold on. Just give me 1 second. Let me turn off this audio here. See? I can do this. If I have anything I got here, I can switch it to different sources. My camera. This.
I'm on Rick's TV. He just went on Twitter. He got me on his big screen.
Oh wow, that's great. So that's pretty much we do it with the ManyCam. So ManyCam is like a mini studio on your computer, and you can use your phone as a camera. And also you can stream to Rumble video using the telephone connected to a ManyCam. can do that.
Wow, that is crazy. I mean,
Yeah.
There's so much to
And
go over.
I'm
There's just a lot.
I don't know if you are familiar, but Manicam they have a pretty good thing for gamers. I know gamers. Yeah, some gamers in other countries they use a Manicam instead of using OBS. They use Manicam for gaming. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Because it give you, it gives you all the, you see all these sources, all these windows.
right.
It's easy to go from one. You see, switching. You can switch
Right,
very
you can switch.
very easy. And if you do it with your keyboard, you can switch pop to each source that you have
Gotcha.
already connected to that. You can do that.
That's cool, man. I'll tell you, that's
Yeah.
awesome.
Okay, so I'm gonna get ready now for the kitchen. I don't want my wife to get.
No worries, no worries. No, thank you so much for like showing me all this.
Okay,
I appreciate
okay,
it.
be blessed, and we're gonna be in touch. Okay,
Yeah, definitely. You have a great day.
you too. Be blessed, Rick.
All right,
God bless
bye-bye.
you. Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
You as well.
Okay, bye.
Wait, did they just update this in real time? Oh, that is crazy. Can you guys hear me still? I don't know if anyone's. Oh, wait. Can I move myself over here? Ah, there we go. Wow, this is great. All right, guys, hold on. Give me a second. Let me. My brain's like overloaded with so much information. That is crazy. Well, guys, it's been a very interesting stream. There's a lot. A lot. Like, there's just so much that we went over. But yeah, guys, this Rumble Studio it's amazing. Like, I'm just thinking of all the stuff that you're going to be able to do soon with this tech. Like, I like it. I hope X gets their API so they can get the viewer thing as well. Yeah, this is really cool. So what we'll do, I'm going to let them work out the bug. I'm going to send over some stuff that I found with issues. They'll fix it. They'll rewatch this video, hopefully. But yeah, if they can figure out the OBS audio thing, which I think they might have just... I want to try a test because I think they just updated this. Hold on, guys. We're going to run one more test. Bear with me for a second. Okay, they didn't. Okay, so for some reason, okay, so they need to add the option on the ingest where I can mute the ingest from myself, because right now I don't have the option to mute it. Once I figure that out, that would be so good, because right now I have to mute Rumble Studio. But all right, guys, tell you what, I gotta end stream right here for this part. But yeah, this is pretty cool, guys. I like this. So you can see my screen still. This is so awesome. I love this. All right, we're going to end this right here. This was a Rumble Studio test. I'm excited to see what they do with this. I love the campaign read stuff. This is really cool. Guys, if you're not there's no reason to be, unless you got a contract with a specific platform, multi-stream, guys. Like, there's no reason not to. It opens up a whole world to meet people. Like, I just met him, man, and that reminds me, I gotta give him a follow. Like, it's just amazing what you guys can do. Here, I'm gonna follow him. There we go. When you multi-stream, guys, it just opens up a whole new world of meeting people. You get to learn different tools and technologies. Like, look at all the stuff we learned about today off one stream. You know what I mean? Like, you guys, seriously, like, I invite you guys to try this stuff out. Create an account everywhere. you don't need to focus all your eggs in one basket. There's all these great streaming platforms out there. There's Rumble, Kick, YouTube. I mean, there's so many. Why not multi-stream? There's plugins. If you just want to use OBS, there's plugins for it. There's Restream. There's other services out there as well. Or you could use Rumble Studio. Rumble Studio has built-in multi-streaming in it. And they're working out the stuff for Kick right now and other custom RTMP stuff. But like, yeah, guys, create an account, man. Upload your content, sync it up. You know, like when you're uploading a video to YouTube, upload it to Rumble. There's BitChute, there's Odyssey, there's all these other alt tech platforms. You don't need to focus on just one. You're gonna meet a ton of other people on all these platforms, and it's just a really good way to you know, get out there, meet other people, engage with your audience. So yeah, but guys, this was seriously really fun. What time is it? 2:35. I did want to do some coding. I'll be right back probably in a little bit, but I need to do a direct stream because I need OBS to work and all that stuff. So, but yeah, this was a really good test. Once they let me know that the other stuff is kind of fixed, we'll use this again, and eventually, if it just works all the time, we'll just switch over to this. But guys, seriously, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I will see you all in a little bit. All right, now I need to figure out how to actually like stop this. So, all right, guys, you take it easy. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all have a great rest of your day if I don't see you. All right, bye.